today we will see the combination of gates. Okay, we will see the NOR gate. NOR gate basically is opposite of OR gate. So whatever output OR gate gives, this NOR gate only reverses it. Basically, NOR gate means take OR gate and add a NOT gate. You get a NOR gate. Okay? So it is like this. You have two signals. This is a OR gate, no? So this line has to be little curved. Okay? So here I will put a NOT gate. So this is my A, this is my B. So here y will be A plus B, and here y dash output, final output will be A plus B bar. Bar means reverse. Okay? So let us draw the truth table and understand actually what happens. What is the representation means? You take a OR gate, alright? You take this circle, put it over here. Okay, these two put together into this. This is NOR gate. So let us draw the truth table now. So because it is basically reverse of OR gate, let us draw the truth table for OR gate. OR gate truth table. Truth table means what is the input? This is the input part. This is input and this is output. Okay, just draw these lines. Remember, in OR gate, if you have to get the high signal, one of them have to be a high signal. So what are the possibilities here? This can be low, this can be high, this can be high, this can be low, and both can be low and both can be high. So here one of them is high, one of them is high, 1. Both are low, 0. Both are already high. Alright. So this is the output of a OR gate. Now you have added a NOT gate. So the new output will be, simply take this and reverse. 1 reverse it, 0. 0 reverse it, 1. 1 reverse it, 0. So this is the truth table for the NOR gate. Okay. So this N represents opposite of OR gate. So next we will see the one more gate, NAND gate. Okay, NAND gate. Like your NOR gate, this is opposite of AND gate. Opposite of AND gate. What do I mean by opposite? It reverses the signal. See, basically signal is a information. Okay, and we talk only two languages here: low signal, high signal. Low signal is 0, high signal is 1. These are not numbers. These are not numbers. Okay, 0 and 1 are not numbers. It's a representation. So NAND gate, how do we used to show? Put a straight line, draw a D here. This is your AND gate, right? And here you put a NOT gate. So here, as per the Boolean algebra, A dot B, and here you get final output as A dot B, and on top of it a bar. Bar represents reverse of that. So basically in an AND gate, you have to understand that if you want to get a high signal 1, both have to be 1. A has to be 1 and B has to be 1. If one of them is 0, you cannot get a high signal. So let us draw the truth table now. Look here. This is A, this is B. I am drawing the truth table for AND gate. So what are the possibilities? We have 4 possibilities: 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1. Right? Only these 4 possibilities are there. 1, 1. So 0, 0 means both are low. This is high, low. Low, high, high, high. So both are zeros. You get 0, both lows. So both are low. So you get low. Both are high. You get high signal. One of them is low. You get 0. One of them is low. You get 0. So this is what an AND gate does. Okay. What does an AND gate does? It simply reverses this. 1, you get y dash. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, this is what the function of a NAND gate.